Hi guys, in this video, we're diving into the basics of Google Sheets, which is how to pick more than one column at a time. So whether you're organizing stuff or making your spreadsheet look just right, being able to grab a bunch of columns is super handy. So stick with me as we go through the simple steps to choose multiple columns in Google Sheets. Now let's dive right in. Alright, so to begin, open the Google Sheet where you want to work with multiple columns and just ensure you're in the right spreadsheet before proceeding. And then click on the letter of the column from which you want to begin your selection. So this initial column will be the starting point for your multiple column selection. Now, while holding down the Control key or CMD key on Mac, click on the letters of the additional columns you want to include in your selection. So each click will add a new column to your highlighted range. Now, after selecting all the desired columns, release the Control key and the chosen columns will remain highlighted, indicating that they are collectively selected. Now, this is optional. If you want to select a continuous range of columns such as column A to column C, while holding down the Shift key, click on the letter of the last column in your desired range, and this action will select all columns from the initial one you selected to the one you click while holding Shift. Now, after selecting the range, release the Shift key and your continuous range of column is now highlighted. So just an additional tip to enhance your selection skills. To add individual columns to your existing selection, continue holding the Control key and click on the letters of the new columns. And if you accidentally select the wrong column, hold the Control key and click on the letter of that column to deselect it. And that's it. You successfully learned how to select multiple columns in Google Sheets. So this simple yet powerful technique will make working with your data more efficient. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.